So, now the other day I said, whoever beats France takes the World Cup. Maar toen wordt er gegun down. Ja, hoe meen je? Ja, hij is de GOAT. Hij is the greatest of all times. Wat, hij gaan weer Spanje klaarmaken en wat. I said, whoever beats France takes the World Cup. And the 3 horsemen, eintlik the 5 horsemen, toe zullen weer bezig. The 5 horsemen. They outgunned, outplayed, outwitted Argentina. Argentina had to use Kaiser Chiefs tactics. Spain did what they did to France. And the power came from their midfield battles. Rodri is going to get the Ballon d'Or again for his display in the World Cup. Experience, class, timing, not stressed, understanding of the game. Then you get Olmo. Oh, sis man. You and that Fabian Ruiz. They on the left back. Lang hare, Kukureira. They in the back. An 18-year-old marshal of defense. Kobasi. Kobasi, whatever his name is. Not a shot. Messi was pocketed, guys. Hy kan maar rondgeloop het, water gaan haal aan die tunnel, teruggekom het. He wouldn't have been missed. Spain is dangerous. And remember I said, they won 2008, the Euros. 2010, they won the World Cup. 2012, they won the Euros again. Is history gonna repeat itself? They can easily take the Euros again. Hey, moet nie vertel van Jamal nie. Wag, wow. Ja. Hou julle raam met by julle maar. Die midfield van Spain, mense. En hy defense, maar hy lei die keer agter van Barcelona. Sis.